Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of resetting your D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender. Performing a reset is essential when troubleshooting connectivity issues, switching to a new network, or restoring the device to its default settings for a fresh configuration. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Resetting the D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender is necessary to resolve connectivity issues, remove incorrect settings, or prepare it for a new network. It restores the extender to factory defaults, eliminating glitches or conflicts that may hinder performance, ensuring a fresh start for optimal functionality and seamless Wi-Fi extension. Begin by confirming that the D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender is turned on and securely connected to a working power outlet. Look for the power LED to display a solid green light. If not, double-check the power source and connections before moving forward. Next, find the reset button on your D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender. This is a small, recessed button typically located on the back or bottom of the device. To press it, you'll need a pointed tool such as a pin, paperclip, or similar object. Using your pin or paperclip, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Keep an eye on the LEDs. The power LED will blink, indicating the reset process has started. Once the light stops blinking and turns solid green again, the reset is complete. Once the reset is complete, your D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender will revert to its original factory settings. This means all previous configurations will be erased, and you'll need to set it up again, including reconnecting it to your Wi-Fi network for proper functionality. To complete the setup process, use the D-Link Wi-Fi app for an easy and convenient configuration, or alternatively, access the extender's setup webpage through a web browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect the extender to your Wi-Fi network. If you experience any issues or require assistance, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert support and guidance throughout the process. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's all there is to it. Resetting your D-Link DAP-1325 Wi-Fi extender is a simple and straightforward process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.